Baseball fans, today we're going to open a pack of 1988 Topps baseball cards. 15 bubblegum cards, one stick of bubblegum. Wax pack, here we go. Retro vintage. Who will we find? 1988. And we start off. There's the gum on the back of Kurt Ford. Let's flip it around. We've got John Habian, Doc Edwards, Bill Doran, Jeffrey Leonard, Tolleson, Dick Schofield, Kurt Ford, offer card. Flip it around, we have Tracy Jones, Floyd Bannister, Bill Gullickson, Keith Hernandez, nice card. Jerry Brown, R.J. Reynolds, and we end with Brian Smith. So a really cool Keith Hernandez.